Alright, so this is pretty simple. First thing, we're just going to take out our battery. So we're going to disconnect our negative, then disconnect our positive. Then we're going to go ahead and take out, this is a, I believe, 12 millimeter screw, or fucking 12 millimeter bolt. And then down here we're going to need an extension, but there's also another one down there. Same size. Awesome. So we kind of don't really need this anymore. And I'm actually going to keep this box, but I'm going to end up relocating. So basically I've got a smaller battery, and that should allow me enough space to keep this box in here, reuse the mount, but either relocate the fuse box a little bit more down or do what Jay at SFR did and build a aluminum heat shield under this fuse box, and then I'll be able to run a catch can over here, and that catch can will actually come straight off of this piece here. It'll just be put in line here, so it'll just come out, go to the catch can, and then go back and go into the intake. Alright, so that's the battery that I got. Positives on this side, which is nice because then it'll fit more into this back corner. So here we've got some space for a catch can or a fuse box, depending on how I want to, I don't know, how I want to organize shit. I don't think it'll fit this way either. The other thing too is with the battery. I got this battery. I'll post up the link here. It's from Summit Racing. Is where I ordered it from. It's an Optima battery, and it only weighs 26 pounds. But actually, when I weighed it, it was closer to like 24. So it's a savings about 14 pounds, not to mention all the plastic and other shit I cut off. So it's probably right about 14 pounds lighter, which is a weight reduction in that. But it's a full size battery. Like a lot of the lightweight batteries out there, they're like, oh yeah, it's awesome, it's 16 pounds, but oh yeah, it can only start your car twice. So, if you don't drive around for a while, it's like, cool. I went to 7-Eleven and then I got a drink and then I turn off the car and then I turn back on the car, I go to the pump, I turn off the car and I can't start my car. You're like, fuck that, that's stupid. Why would you compromise having a fucking battery? You have to run your car to sit in the parking lot? That's just foolish. So instead of going with that tomfoolery, I went with this. It has 450 cold cranking amps, so plenty to crank the V6 many, many times. Whether I'm listening to the radio with the engine off, any of that kind of stuff, it's not a big deal. And I can even crank. So it's a factory system, but it's got a sub and amp and all that kind of stuff. So, and I can enjoy that, which is cool. So the link, it's $173, and it came with free shipping from Summit Racing, back on point. And I got just keep in mind of which side the positive and negative are on, because you don't want it to be set so that the positive and negative are too close to the firewall. You want to make sure that they're on the opposite side of the firewall. So you've got good clearance there. I went ahead and installed the catch cans. That's going to be in the next video. The catch can installation for this, which is really not that hard. If you don't have a turbo, it's fucking easy. But if you have a turbo, it's a little bit more of a fight for space. So there's that. Yeah, dude, we saved 14 pounds on something that we needed anyway. My battery, I've had the car for pretty much exactly 3 years now. I got it in July of, July of 2013. And so I need a new battery anyway, so I figured, all right, $173. It's about the same price as the factory one, except it's a deep cycle battery that can pretty much beat the shit out of it and not have to worry about it. So, yeah, why not? And it fits in the factory location. I don't have to get any extra mounts or anything like that. So yeah, it's pretty good. So yeah, please rate, comment, subscribe if you like the video. If you got anything constructive or helpful, that's awesome. If you don't have anything constructive or helpful, I guess you can still voice your opinion. That's cool too. Whoever the one guy is that keeps disliking videos, I really want to hear why you're disliking my videos. I don't know if it's the same guy, but in my mind, it's the same fucking person. Cool. So yeah, I'll just stick. New episode coming soon of the catch cans. Sorry this one's so delayed. I've been out of the country for a few weeks and over in Asia, so I'm back. Time to make some more fucking videos. Thanks, guys.